Good day, volleyball fans. Be ready because we are now heading to our third game here in the women's division of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. In the Western Conference for our third game, matutunghayan natin ang bakbakan between the two municipalities kung saan the team Binmaley having 3-3 standing goes head-to-head against Lingayen having 5-1 standing. So magkatabing municipality ang maglalaban for today, volleyball fans. Kaya we expect intense rallies, all-out effort, and also powerful attacks coming from the two municipalities. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our Governor's Cup page because our third game in the women's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
Good morning once again and welcome back to our live coverage of the Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, coming to you live from the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. To all our viewers joining us online and to everyone here inside the venue, thank you for spending your Sunday with us. The energy continues to build as we move on to another exciting matchup in the women's division where two of the tournament's top performing teams are about to collide. Before we begin, we would like to once again express our sincere appreciation to our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon V. Guico III, whose passion for sports and youth development continues to inspire athletes across the province. Through his leadership and commitment, this tournament has become a premier stage where local volleyball talents can showcase their skills, represent their municipalities with pride, and experience high-level competition. Truly, Pangasinan ang galing, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of the most anticipated matches of the day. It is Team Lingayen versus Team Binmaley. Both teams are coming off a win on their last outing. This is Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner Cliff Lagisma. This is the Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. Sit back, enjoy the action, and let the games continue.
Good morning again, volleyball fans. We are still live at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. And we are witnessing our Game 3 of the women's division in the Western Conference between Team Binmaley and Team Lingayen. An exciting matchup coming your way. First 6 for Team Binmaley, we have Bautista, jersey number 2, jersey number 4 Valle, jersey number 16, jersey number 18. First 6 for Team Lingayen, jersey number 3, jersey number 13, jersey number 7, jersey number 16, jersey number 4, and jersey number 1. First to serve is Team Binmaley, jersey number 4. First point goes to Team Lingayen.
Serving jersey number 3, Ferrer. Bautista to the middle. And another error for Team Binmaley.
Team Binmaley coming with a fashion statement with their blue ponytails.
Bautista. Miscommunication, free ball, Ferrer to Paras, blocked. Paras, back sets to Viray. Carino. De Vera will give a free ball. Ferrer to Viray. Dug by Carino. To De Vera. Aveles chases. Free ball for Team Binmaley. Bautista isiset para sa gitna. And a point for Reyes.
Bautista serving.
Free ball for Team Binmaley. Bautista isiset para kay Carino. Free ball, Ferrer to Paras, and she finds zone 1.
Serving jersey number 13, Paras. Bautista oversets. And the point for Team Binmaley.
Miscommunication on the part of Team Lingayen. Point for Team Binmaley. On the service zone, jersey number 2, Reyes.
First referee talking to Viray for some clarification.
Del Castillo, Ferrer, back set para kay Viray, but mababa. So another point for Team Binmaley. Ferrer chases, free ball for Team Binmaley. Bautista is set para kay De Vera, but that is outside. Point for Team Lingayen.
Viles on deck to serve for Team Lingayen.
Aviles.
Binluan receives. Tinapon kay Carino. Carino net touch. Aviles, good serve. Bautista, angat sa open. Drop ball. Aviles, free ball for Viray. Bautista, to the open. Block touch. Another for the open. And a point for Team Binmaley. Four serving five. De Vera on deck to serve for Team Binmaley.
Ferrer to Baaklo, and it catches the line.
Baaklo finding
Point
corner
for Team
pocket,
Lingayen.
zone 5.
Valle angat ang bola. High, free
High ball.
Ferrer, 1-2
Drop ball
play.
by the
Andun si
setter.
Valle.
Fabia sets
Fabia.
to the open. Drew up ball pero bitin for Valle. Wearing jersey number 16 for Lingayen. Bautista sets Carino. Kagiwa. Not enough. Too much space for Kagiwa. Carino on deck to serve for Team Binmaley. Oh.
Serving captain Carino. Ferrer will set it to Kagiwa. Good ball. Baaklo
Good
will set it to
return by
Kagiwa again.
Bautista. Baaklo with a hit. Bautista, tinasang bola. Ooh. Valiant able to push that one. Paras and Fabia talking with each other at the net. Paras says, touch ka, Fabia. Valle. Don't go for Valle. Baaklo serves. Bautista to the open Valle. No go. Free ball. Kagiwa denied. Ferrer to Viray. And it drops. Point for Team Lingayen. Baaklo still on the service deck.
Bautista to Valle. And
Valle.
attack error
Eating
for
error again.
jersey number 4. It's a 7-point lead for Team Lingayen. Our next game po ay Team Alaminos City versus Team Bani. Nasa Game 3 pa lang po tayo ng ating Women's Division. You're still watching the Game 3 of the Women's Division. It is between Team Binmaley versus Team Lingayen. De Vera, Bautista to Fabia, and she finds the corner. Point for Team Binmaley. Good time out there on the side of Team Binmaley.
Fabia
Fabia.
serving. Ferrer to Paras. Paras with a hit. Carino, good save. But it's out.
Palitan tayo dito ng setter. Bautista out, Narabal in. Kagiwa. Received by Carino. Itinaas para kay
Valle
Valle.
of speed. Aviles. Carino, good save. Ferrer to Paras, and Paras scores. (14) serving 6. Serving Kagiwa. Narabal sets to the open, but net touch. Kagiwa still serving for Team Lingayen.
Received by Carino.
Narabal to the open. Dug by Viray. Viray back row. Point for Team Lingayen. Ten-point cushion enjoyed by Team Lingayen. And Kagiwa seals that out.
Now in the service zone, jersey number 4, Valle. Received by Viray. Ferrer itataas para kay Aviles. Andun si Carino. Narabal to De Vera. It's received. Kagiwa to Aviles. Andun yung libero, Narabal. Bibigay kay De Vera. Del Castillo was there. Paras. Free ball. Ferrer to Paras. And that is inside. This is a 10-point lead. Substitution. Paras out. Bravo in. Aviles out. Viray in.
Fresh legs for Team Lingayen. Another Viray on the court. Ferrer serves, and an ace for Ferrer. Ferrer on deck to serve. Reyes plays setter. And ball out.
Substitution for Team Binmaley. Reyes out, Aranda in.
Ferrer still serving. Ooh, straight to the net for Ferrer. Jersey number 3, Narabal. Good serve. Ferrer. Ooh, a bit of hesitation, but it resulted to a point for Team Lingayen.
Bravo. Receive with the libero Narabal. Isa-set para kay Carino. Andun si Bravo. Ferrer who set it to the open. Dog. To De Vera.
Ooh,
Andun si
nice rally.
Bravo. And
Oh,
another miscommunication on the part of Team Binmaley.
serving jersey number 6 for Team Lingayen.
Narabal tatas para kay
Marabal gives to
Aranda. Free
Aranda, free
ball.
ball. Viray. Ferrer to Viray. And point for jersey number 18, Viray. Marabal to Carino. And point for Viray, jersey number 16.
Still serving. Bravo. Good serve. Narabal. Isa-set para kay De Vera. Ginawa ng paraan. Ferrer underhand set to Viray. Andan si Narabal. Free ball for Team Lingayen. Ferrer one-hand set, but another error for Team Binmaley. Set point for Team Lingayen.
Set point for Team Lingayen. Minimizing the points for Team Binmaley. Just 8 points. Ooh. And first set
That
goes to
ends
Team
the first set.
Lingayen.
25-8. Nakuha po ng Team Lingayen. Ating first set. You're still watching the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Lingayen versus Team Binmaley. If you've just tuned in from our live coverage, nanalo po ang Team Lingayen kaninang first set. And ngayon po, simula na ng ating second set. Manuel Carino De Vera, free ball for Team Lingayen. Manuel back set to Beguas, but error for Team Lingayen. So first point, Team Binmaley.
Jersey number 4 serving for Team Binmaley. Manuel sets to the open block. Still serving jersey number 4 for Team Binmaley.
Manuel to Viray. Andan si Bautista. Valle will set it to De Vera. Castillo was there. Manuel will set it to Viray. Free ball for Team Lingayen. Del Castillo to Viray. Andan si Carino. Bautista sa gitna. Manuel to Bravo. Regalo, but too strong for jersey number.
Good job by the libero there, saving that ball.
2-point lead. Valle. Manuel back set to Viray, and that is inside. Point for Team Lingayen.
Bravo serving for Team Lingayen. Bautista inangat. Dog by Aviles. Manuel sets to the open. Ooh. Misreceive by Reyes. Bautista couldn't set the ball. Bravo still serving. Bautista to De Vera.
Manuel to Baaclo. Too strong.
Bautista on the service area. Manuel.
Manuel back set to
The
Beguas. Drop
opposite.
ball and then si Reyes to De Vera. And a point for Team
De
Binmaley.
Vera scores. Manuel to Baaclo. Baaclo. Point for Team Lingayen, courtesy of the Baaclo hit.
Serving jersey number 18, Viray. Nag-anuan kami? Dalawa.
Zone 5, unguarded there by the libero.
Serving jersey number 2, Reyes. Good serve, Manuel. That is a double contact violation committed by Team Lingayen.
Manuel oversets that ball. Point for Team Binmaley.
Manuel isa-set kay Aviles. Hinabol ni Bautista. But that is outside, so point for Team Lingayen. On the service zone, jersey number 8, Begwas. Good serve. Received by Valle Bautista to Fabia. Andon si Veray. Begwas itataas but free ball for Team Binmaley. Bautista to De Vera. Del Castillo was there. Free ball again for Team Binmaley. Bautista to the middle. Andun si Begwas. Manuel to Aviles. Drop ball. Good. But point for Team Lingayen.
Carino contesting that one. Says hindi tumama sa antenna but the up referee is certain that it hit the antenna. Vegas, too long. Two-point cushion for Team Binmaley. De Vera serving and it sails out.
Baba sa isang kalamangan ng Team Binmaley. Baaklo. Received by the libero. Back set para kay Carino. Nakuha ni Begwas. Manuel will give a free ball. Bautista sa open but net violation called on jersey number 15. Point for Team Binmaley.
Carino on the service deck. Floater. Manuel to Bravo. Bautista to Fabia to Aviles. Flying Bautista. De Vera serve, giving that long to Team Lingayen. Just a 1-point lead for Team Binmaley. Aviles on deck to serve. Short serve. Begwas, good job in saving that ball. Bautista. Binluan, free ball. Manuel, who will she go to? Did they open? Save. Rally here. Manuel to Viray. Save again. Good ball. Oh! Binluan sacrificing her body there. Aviles on deck to serve. Oh.
Lamang na po ng isa ang Team Lingayen. 10 serving 9. Still serving Aviles. Good serve. Tataas para kay De Vera sa likod but too strong. Another point for Team Lingayen.
Another error by De Vera. Aviles serves. Valle to Fabia. Manuel to the middle attacker.
Aviles. Chase. Good ball. Manuel, one hand set to Viray, but error. So a point for Team Binmaley.
Serving jersey number 19 for Binmaley. Avilés receives. Manuel binato kay Viray. Viray, pinuto ni Fabia. And Bautista couldn't get that. Point for Team Lingayen. Serving jersey number 15, Manuel. Reyes tries. Doug. Viray tries. Unable to get it through.
Serving jersey number 4, Valle. Beguas is set. And the point for Team Binmaley. Still serving Valle. Received by Del Castillo. Manuel is set kay Beguas. Drop ball. Vinluan will give a free ball. Manuel bibigay sa middle. And net violation for Team Lingayen. Deadlock at 13. Valle. Manuel is set sa gitna. And a point for jersey number 18, Viray. On the service zone, jersey number 6, Bravo. Good serve. Misreceived and a service ace for Bravo. Bravo. Sharp serve. Reyes will play setter here. De Vera and then si Viray. Manuel chases. Viray. That is off the block. Another point for Team Lingayen. Palitan ng setter dito for Team Binmaley. Bravo. Alejo will set it to De Vera. Blocked. Reyes to De Vera again. Andun si Aviles. Manuel itataas para kay Viray. But single block by Reyes. Point for Team Binmaley. Serving jersey number 1. Good serve. Manuel itataas para kay Beguas. Good ball. Manuel to Beguas. Andan si Valle. Reyes set para kay Carino. Andan si Manuel. Alejo para kay Reyes. And a point for Team Binmaley. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen.
Serving jersey number 1 for Team Binmaley. Good serve, almost an ace. Manuel, free ball. Alejo to De Vera. Andun ang libero, but no! Over-receive. It's 16 all. In second set, Binmaley serving. Alejo straight to the net. One-point lead by Team Lingayen.
Serving jersey number 18, Viray. Good serve. Reyes. And
Reyes
for
successful
Team
again.
Binmaley. Deadlock again at 17. Serving jersey number 2.
Ooh.
Service
Costly error
error.
for
And double sub for
Reyes.
Team Lingayen. Beg was out, Ferrer in, Manuel out, Viray in. Ferrer, good serve. Alejo, bibigay para kay Carino. Ferrer will set it to the open. Andon si Valle, Alejo. Kay De Vera, andon si Viray. Ferrer to Aviles. Fabia. De Vera. And a block for Team Lingayen. Lamang ng isa. It's, no, 19 serving 17.
Ferrer serves. Alejo. Ginawa ng paraan. Ooh. Fabia is down. Fabia is down. Jersey number 19. And she's up. The true warrior in Fabia. We hope she's okay. But Ferrer serving. Carino. Ginawa ng paraan. Ferrer up to Aviles. Doug. De Vera. Ferrer back row. No go for Viray. De Vera
Jersey
serving.
number 18, De Vera.
Sharp serve and it drops. Service ace by De Vera. Ooh. Service error for Binmaley.
Substitution for Team Lingayen. Baaklo out, Manawat in. Serving jersey number 12, Manawat. Alejo, si set para kay Fabia, blocked. Nabal ni Venluan. Free ball for Team Lingayen. Ferrer to Bravo. And then si Carino, Alejo. To the opposite, Viray was there. Manawat will play setter, Aviles. Alejo is a set, but gives a free ball. Viray. Ferrer back set to Viray. And a point for jersey number 16. Three-point lead here. Still serving jersey number 12, Manawat. Good serve. Regalo for Bravo. Aviles is set para kay Viray. Andun si De Vera. Alejo to Carino. Andun si Ferrer. Viray will set it to Viray. And another point for jersey number 16. Substitution for Team Lingayen. Aviles out, Perez in.
Still serving jersey number 12 for Team Lingayen. Carino receives De Vera. Carino free ball. Ferrer to the open. And she scores. That's Perez. The newcomer Perez starting a point for Team Lingayen. Carino. Alejos, binigay sa gitna. Dump ball. Alejos to Carino. Received by Ferrer. Viray. To Viray.
Regal.
Bravo. And
that ends the
Fabia
match. Nanalo
couldn't
po
get it
ang
through.
Team Lingayen in 2 straight sets. Congratulations to
And
both teams.
Team Lingayen wins this match 2-0. Congratulations to both teams.
That wraps up our anong game? That wraps up our third game here in the Women's Division of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. So nakita naman natin mula sa Municipality of Binmaley na hindi naging maganda ang kanilang start at kita natin ang kanilang frustration sa loob ng court. Pero still, nakita natin na bumawi sila sa second set at nakapagbigay sila ng magandang play mula sa Team Lingayen. And from Team Lingayen naman, kita natin ang kanilang consistency and good chemistry sa loob ng court mula sa first set up until the second set. So congratulations for our winning team, Municipality of Lingayen, and still congratulations for Municipality of Binmaley. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. player number 18, Isabella Viray, having 7 points. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. So nakita namin na naging maganda yung chemistry nyo sa loob ng court. So tingin mo ba nakatulong yung matagal yun ng pagsasama and paglalaro sa isa't isa? Kaya isa rin yun sa naging dahilan kung bakit kayo nanalo for this game.
Siguro oo, gaya kagabi. After game nagbanding kami lahat. Sila Ate Shao! Sila Ate Daisy. Puro lang kami tawa. Pati sa training, puro lang kami tawa talaga.
Yes. Kita nga namin kung gaano kayo close sa isa't isa. So, after this game, sino naman naging inspirasyon mo para makapagbigay ng 7 points and maging player of the game?
Siyempre, sila nanood sila eh. Ngayon eh, mga pamangkin ko. Tapos, Ate Ella, Ate Iza, Mama, Papa. Siyempre, saan na yun? Si Mikay. Si Mikay. Ayun, si Mikay.
Ikaw naman, sino yung inspirasyon mo?
Nainaway ako kanina.
Ikaw, sino naman inspirasyon mo?
Siyempre, yung anak ko. Asawa ko na mo! Ay, wala pa sasabihin daw siya, oh.
New shoes! Woo! New shoes!
Volleyball fans, sino pa yung gusto mo palang i-shoutout or pasalamatan?
Kay Sir JM Mangapot po, thank you so much po. Tapos ko kay Mayor po, Vice Mayor po, thank you ba? Baka naman! Atos! Okay na.
Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our third game here in the women's division. But stay here in our page because our fourth game is about to start. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing!